Hello everyone, my name is Aditi and I'm a registered clinical counselor here in British Columbia, Canada. Our clinic is called Wellness North Counselling, and today I'm going to share with you a powerful grounding technique that's really helpful or could be useful to utilize when you're feeling anxious. But I tell my folks all the time, my clients, that listen, use this tool when you're not anxious so that you know it like back of your hand, and then you can implement it when you feel anxiety popping its head or when you start to become really anxious. Then you can use this tool if you've practiced it enough times when you were not anxious. Okay, it's called 5 4 3 2 1. It's about using our senses. Maybe you already know this, so you can practice with me right now. If you haven't heard of it, make sure that you practice it often so that you know it like back of your hand. Just like a math formula. You learn a math formula, you cannot go to the math test and implement it right away. You may or may not be, but if you know this math formula so well, you've practiced it so many times that you are in a test, you're anxious, you recall this formula and you can implement it. Okay, so are you ready for this technique? 5 4 3 2 1. So it's about using our 5 senses, our sense of vision, our sense of hearing, taste, touch, and smell. All right, so right now, tell me, what are 5 things you can see around you? I can see my phone, my wallet, my table, I can see my heater, and I can see my computer. So 5 things I can see. What are 4 things that I can touch? I can touch my hair, I can touch the desk, I can touch my wallet, I can touch my pen. Now, what are 3 things that I can hear? I can hear my heartbeat, I can hear my voice, and I hear the heater. Okay, what are 2 things I can smell? So the room has fairly neutral smell, but sometimes I would have a hand sanitizer. I'll apply that and I will smell that. So just recognize 2 smells in my present environment. Last but not least, what's the lingering taste in your mouth? What's one taste that you can feel? Right now, I taste a little bit of this dark chocolate that I was just eating few minutes before this video. So a little bit of that taste is lingering there. But this 5 4 3 2 1 technique is really, really powerful. If you practice it often, you can really utilize this tool when you start to become anxious. So 5 things that you can see, 4 things that you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. And it helps us become present in this moment. It's a grounding technique and it's really useful, folks, for managing our anxiety. Hopefully you will share this video with your friends and family members, your loved ones who can really use this technique to manage their anxiety. But remember, practice it often. And when you can practice it often, you can start to become present in your present moment. And when we are present, it's hard for anxiety to take over. Anxiety typically is about the unknown, and it's about the future, or sometimes when our system detects threat in our environment. And we've got so many tools that we can use to manage this anxiety. And if you think you need any support with your mental health and you are in British Columbia, please do reach out. And even if you're not in BC, reach out to us, like our videos, follow us on social media, and we will keep sharing some useful tools with you. Thank you so much, everyone. See you again with another video.